pregnant, man. She ain't.
I know you done got in trouble.
Yeah. Listen.
Yeah, they hit Larry Ray for 5 months.
Don't ask for Chris no more. We had to get it. It took us everything to get Chris out of the house today.
I don't blame him. Hey, Chris, y'all ain't come
My name the biggest.
So you gonna let them come up with whatever they want?
No, they matching us.
They're gonna match y'all.
Yeah. You want to do the flipping shit first? You want to get that out of the way?
Nah, we ain't gonna worry about that.
It definitely ain't gonna be that.
Y'all want to flip right now?
Yeah, y'all want to get the flip out the way?
By the way, he ain't got nothing else to do.
We can flip, but I ain't racing in that. Y'all say y'all want the right lane?
I don't know what lane I want.
You said you must be scared of that tree right there.
Yeah, y'all went on there?
I'll tell you what. We'll take the right lane, but let it bump in a second.
Wait, hold on. Let me go look at that. That's fair. Let me go look at that.
Y'all already said y'all want it right. Y'all want it right.
I wasn't here though.
No, we really don't want right. We really were playing mind tricks. So it wasn't gonna work on the Jamaican.
We really was hoping y'all,
You fuck up trying to play a mind game. We done 10 step ahead.
10 step on it.
Yo. Who y'all like tonight?
Which one?
We doing the first race first.
What's the first race?
Cause you know they could be complaining about me doing part by part.
What's the first race?
The egg versus. The egg versus.
The egg versus who?
The egg versus Chris.
I like the egg.
Dick riding.
Oh what? Look at him.
Continue.
Oh, shit.
All right, who next?
That's it. We're gonna come back to the next race after that.
Oh man, I thought you gonna get
Who
all
you
of
like?
this.
I like the egg. I like Demon. And I like the real G, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, them niggas did rhyme, so I like Chris, King Slime, you know what I'm saying?
His name is the final boss.
It's King Farm.
King Slime,
That's
what they call it, the jungle champ.
Hold on, don't know.
Who you like, Cole?
I don't like eggs or nigga named Chris.
20. Bet 20. This nigga gonna tip.
Yo, old school.
Give us 20 bitch ass nigga.
Who you like?
Who I like?
Egg or Chris?
Neither. Big zone shit.
Oh my god. We still doing custom tees for anybody asking. Shout out to SMR, Street Money, Ruby Rose for the win, you know what I'm saying? Da 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 and all that.
What's up, man? What's in your cup, fool?
What's up, nephew?
That's more like peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, shit.
Is it?
You smell like peanut butter and jelly.
I'm saying the drink smell like peanut butter and jelly.
You smell like peanut butter and jelly.
That's
Now,
a weird thing to smell like.
I'm saying.
You ain't never had peanut. You ain't never. All right, we got my Rasta pastas outside.
Yeah, don't step in my lane. You see this? Don't step in it, please. I'm telling you.
If somebody do, what you gonna do?
Gunshot will be.
So now, y'all, we got Chris versus the egg. Oh! Yo, Ken, who you like, Ken?
Staying out of it.
Too much confusion?
Too much confusion. Caught him way down the street.
He said he don't know. He's staying out of it.
Staying out of it. Who you like, Steve? Who you like?
BMW.
BMW?
All day.
Not about the money.
Yeah.
If they win, Willie gonna be talking so nasty. Oh my God. That's cap. It's cap. It's cap. It's cap. Yo, Nico.
Talk to me, man.
Who you like,
It's gonna be a good race. You know, I'm just flat, man. I can't say. But it's about to be a good race, man.
What? We were just talking about you the other day. What? Who you like, twin? Baby, who you like, baby?
Like omelets.
Omelets. The egg. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know.
It's space thing.
Like he act like he working.
I'll just be the GTR. Chris ain't beating no GTR.
That one's ahead.
Anybody Anybody else want to outfit me?
Who? Yolo Twin, who you like, Twin?
I don't like, bro. I like be over him, bro. Right now, bro, in the fight. No, fuck the car, nigga.
Get my car. What you want to do?
I love the egg. Honda, nigga.
Bet.
Bitch, nigga. Nigga get some jewelry. Think you doing something.
What the hell you reaching for?
Y'all, whenever they argue, it's hilarious, bro.
Who you like? Huh? What you mean red light? Are you worried about that right now? You worried like pop. Hey, how long y'all need for this shit to air dry? How long y'all need for it to air dry? Yo, any phone like my girl?
Mustangs! What? God damn! Shit! God damn!
Fucking go! Get that car that hit! Let's go!
Walk them down!
That's the golden boy. That's the golden boy. Nigga, that's a rotten, olden ass man, man.
Oh my God! That nigga KJ was peddling that shit. He got the hit! He got the hey! Fuck, you let that nigga go! Let's go! Let that nigga fucking go! Let's fucking go! He got hit? He got hit? He just took the hit and what happened? He got the hit? He took it, what happened? He stole it and what happened? Let's do it right now. You got the hit? You got the hit? Let's do it right now. That nigga got the hit. Hey! Should have upped the money. Big SSR. Don't give a fuck about it, nigga. It's our year. Fuck him. Fuck him, we ball. Ooh, ain't it in the bag, motherfucker. We ball. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? No, he gave him the hit. He gave him the hit. That car 10 times lighter than that nigga. Oh my God. What's that bitch pop? Mike, I lose.
Ooh, I lose. That motherfucker just drove around. God damn. Yo, what?
Fine, boy.
Hey, let me see that.
Get paid, Sonny Stop. Get paid, fuck 'em. Get paid, Sonny Stop. Get paid, fuck 'em. That's how I feel.
All right, you too.
Bye, Mooch Mooch.
Finish line. And yeah.
Oh, that's what we doing.
KJ looks so happy.
So I don't have Bella here to say it with me. So Maya, I need you to say it with me, Maya. Maya, say it with me.
Space!